Here's a 2014 Dodge Journey. It's a midsize crossover that's worth bragging about. Pack in and go in this Dodge today and enjoy features like speed control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and climate control. You'll also feel safe behind the wheel with features like a low tire pressure warning, stability and traction control, and multiple advanced airbags. Plus, it comes standard with keyless entry and heated mirrors, too. Get in and get going with Proximity Key. Hands-free and voice-activated Uconnect will keep your hands on the wheel, your eyes on the road, and you connected. The touchscreen display adds to an already impressive interior design and puts technology at your fingertips. You can reconfigure the interior to hold just about anything. See it today.
Visit us anytime at craneteam.com.
Go, go.